Amanyiw'a Imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu va Kenya Nimaendeeye na Kunyamaa Kumana na Mukomo wa Alimu na Athukumi Angi Imanyisyo Mukomo ula Wambiie kwi Muthenyani wa Iyoo Amanyiw'a na Muno alame Mwakani wa Mbee na Malikile Imanyisyo Mwei wa Keenda Nimaelesya Uthatu Maiweta Mukomo Tautambaikya Kisomo Kyoo Alimu na Athukumi ungu wa ngwatanio ya uasu na kusu me Mukomoni mayenda serikali yani si wiwano wa CBA ya ngili na 11 nginya ngili na miongo na imwe ngili na miongo na ilingi ngili na miongo na 5 na kwambesya unenania Yiulu wa CBA nzau ya ngili na miongo na 5 nginya mwakani wa ngili ile na miongo ile na kenda dani mwangala na ile vote kwa withiana
Imanyisyoni chama chako University va Amanyiw'a ni matisya utwaisya maandamano etho Mukomo wa Athukumi ngwangwatanio ya uasu ndwithinikiwa.
As the voices of the comrade, this is so disappointing to the government. These are first years who have barely come to Machakos University 1 month. They have not learned anything. This is so disappointing. And we are issuing this to the government that if they are not going to act, then next week we shall act upon ourselves. Thank you.
Ndani yu namo Alimu Imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu kivo ki chama chako University ondumwe na kila chaji ikwat maendelea na uthingila kana maeso usio kawiani inavala serikali kwethukisya kiyo cho ukanisya uano wa mwaka wa 2017 ngina mwakani wa 2021.
We are here about protesting because of delayed payment for our CBA and also delayed negotiations for 2025-2029 CBA, because as you have heard, most of these CBAs are protracted. We negotiated them outside the cycle, and that is why we always get unpaid part of the money.
To be called to State House to go at the be dished out money. We are asking to be paid what is due to us. Solidarity.
I'll tell you, you cannot be able to convince staff in the university because they have been seeing what has been happening in this country. We all live here, we see the news.
The nation, as you know, has actually declined to honor the CBA which was signed, and that is the reason why we are coming out in large numbers to say that we need what we rightfully deserve.
Athukumi ngwangwatanio ya uasu naelesekana yuthi ula matete serikali novikite bilioni 1.9 kwatana na mwiwano usu wa vamwe wa mwaka wa 2017 nola wavitukithwa wengi ni koti.
I've said, and I would want to say that there's a letter that had been released by the government purporting to pay university workers. A letter does not pay. We would want to see money in our accounts so that we can come back to work. Thank you.
We taught him. We taught him. We taught him good manners. We taught him to pay workers. We taught him to act by the constitution. Hiyo mlolongo na laini napigwa pale State House watu waende wapewe pesa hiyo tumefanya nini? Hiyo pesa ifanye nini? Ilete ilipe wafanyikazi wa university mshahara yao.
Daniel Mwakela, Mutungu TV, kuma waki Imanyisyoni chama chako University, kauntini ya Masako.